Hey Diva Dolls, this is CRYSTALCHANEL and welcome back to my channel. I did partner with Yolissa hair today and I am excited to share with you how I put this wig on and how I installed it and things not to do. That way you can also install your wig and slay, honey. Now, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and stop what you're doing. Hit the notification bell as well as the subscribe button and join the family. And if you are an existing Diva Doll or Diva Dawn, then hey boo, welcome back. But let's get right into it. Okay, so we are getting started. This wig is from Yolissa hair and this is a 370 degree wig. That's what they call it, a 370 wig, because it is entirely made out of lace going all the way around. So I'm just showing you what's in the box. It comes with a bag to store your wig. It comes with a wig cap, an elastic band, and the wig itself. We're going to go ahead and go over the inside of the wig. This is what it looks like. So only the top portion of the wig has like a satin base. Everything else is completely lace. So it has some combs for support. Also, the back of the wig does have adjustable straps. That way you can secure your wig without glue or any other products. Okay, so this is my first time trying a wig that is lace all the way around. I think that would be nice if you wanted to do the buns and things like that. I've seen videos where women actually use the glue or the got to be glue to put the wig even on their neck. I'm just going to go ahead and put on this cap and just show you dolls how it's going to look. All right, so I just went ahead and put the wig on. I wanted to see how it was going to fit. Again, I never had a wig that was lace all the way around. So I'm really impressed so far just putting the wig on with the wig cap. You can definitely see the illusion of the scalp. So this unit did come pre-plucked, although it needs to be bleached as far as bleaching the knots. I like to be very low maintenance, so I am not going to do that as far as bleaching the knots. But the wig is really pretty. Now this right here is just me using the Got To Be Glue spray. So if you're not hip to this, it's like the best thing ever. It is not glue. It is completely just a really strong hairspray. I'm also using a little bit of powder and putting makeup on my wig since I chose not to do the bleaching. You can skip this step. It's totally up to you. I just think it helps my front hairline look a little bit more natural. Now, again, my first time putting on a wig like this, I'm going to go ahead and just cut around my ear because you do want to customize this wig to fit your head as well as around your ears. So I'm just trying to be careful here. I do like how the hair has baby hair and it kind of comes down in front of my hair. I think that's really cute. So you want to be careful here just not to go ahead and cut too much of the lace off. In fact, one of the things not to do is to, cut off too much lace. So you're going to see at the end of this video, at the end of the video, I'm going to have extra lace on here because I figure I can always go back and perfect it. I just did this a straight run through. I showed y'all exactly how I did it. And of course, now that I've installed the wig, I can go back and cut more lace off. But this is just me trying to show you what I've done. So now that I got the wig cut off around my ears, I'm going to go ahead and now put the Got To Be Glue spray as well as the Got To Be Glue hair gel. I'm going to put both of them on. So first is the first layer, which I do 2 layers of this hairspray to let it get, kind of tacky and dry. As you can see, my hair's blowing. I am using a fan on light power. That way it's kind of drying my hair a little faster for me. This is just me putting down the Got To Be Glue gel. Now, another tip for you. Make sure the Got To Be Glue gel you do not touch once you put it on your head, because once you do that, it will interact with the oils on your fingertips and it will cause flaking. It also will cause flaking if you don't allow that gel to get tacky and clear. Okay, so this is me. As you can see, I still had white with that gel, it didn't all show clear. That's important to note because listen, I am here as a resource for you dolls. I definitely want you to know if you don't allow that gel to completely get tacky and clear, you're gonna have a flaky hot mess on your hairline. So I didn't allow it to get, clear. I just was, I don't know, I guess being impatient, and I went ahead and put the wig down. And when I did this, as you can see, I'm using my fingertips like I told you shouldn't do. You should use the edge of a comb, okay? So I use my fingertips in some parts. I'm just trying to push the grids of the wig down into the hairline where I put the got to be glue. So I'm just trying to walk y'all through this because I want y'all to get it right. And yeah, this is what I'm doing what not to do. All right, so I went ahead, once I got it down, I put on my scarf. I let this sit for about 5 minutes. I didn't want it to get too dry. It's just to set it down and kind of have it melt in with your scalp. Now, this is me after removing that. As you can see, I have flaky white residue. The glue, well, it's not glue, but the gel was not dried all the way, so it left this film all on my forehead. And I did go ahead and cut off the lace again. I did not cut a whole lot of the lace off. I left almost like 1/2 inch of the lace off of the hairline. I just wanted to, see what it was going to look like. I'm going to go back and go ahead and correct that. But now I'm just using a little bit of product to slick the edge. I decided to go with a side part here. Now keep in mind, again, you can part this wig absolutely anywhere. You can do cornrows on this wig. You can do French braids. You can do so many styles. So I'm really, really loving this wig. But yeah, I decided not to curl it. I actually like this whole body wave vibe that I got going on. So that's it. Yes, look at that. I absolutely love the edges on this wig. Ooh, your girl feeling herself. Okay, dolls, so that is it. Again, I did partner with Yolissa's wigs for this, and I was really surprised at how much I liked the wig. When I took it off and I put it on, I wasn't sure because I've never done a 370 lace wig before, or the 360 lace wig, whatever. Long story short, it's lace all the way around. And I thought that was pretty cool because that means you can actually part this wig anywhere and you get that scalp effect, okay? So I'm gonna just show you what I mean. You can part this wig anywhere, okay? So I thought that was pretty nice about the wig because I can do cornrows on this wig. I can do half up, half down on this wig. A lot of wigs, they stop at your ear. This one will keep going, okay? So I thought that was really cute. I absolutely love the density of this wig. If you ever decide to get a wig, girl, you're gonna have to make sure you get 180% density or more. Like 180% to 100% density. I love this density. I haven't even curled this hair yet, and I can tell that it's pretty good hair because of the wave pattern. It's soft, it doesn't have a smell, which is important, and so far so good. So let me know if you love this video. Be sure that you give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, give me any tips that you dolls have. I am not a hair guru, okay? I am not an expert. I am a woman who loves to change up my looks, and that's why I am here for you dolls. I am a resource for you, honey. Just leave a comment down below. let me know how you think I did, as well as leave me a comment or a tip for my next install. So if you want to know more about this wig, I'm going to put the details down below in the box. Of course, you can shop using that same link, and also use my discount code CRYSTAL. That way you can save some coins in your order. If you don't already follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat, be sure that you do that. And my name is @ChryssyTheDoll. Also, be sure that you add my other channels where I have a vlog and fitness channel. I'll be updating those a lot more regularly, especially for Vlogmas. So I'll put the links down below for that. I want to thank you dolls so much for rocking with your girl. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.